Alam mo, nanood ako ng training nitong mga taga-PNP. Intense yung training nila doon sa Krame, ha?
Gaano ka-intense? Gaano
As in,
ka-intense?
talagang pukpukan, water break mo 2 minutes. Tapos game na kaagad. As in, within 2 hours, ang dami nilang pwede ma-achieve. And right now, they are achieving a lot. Dito po sa ating first set. Isa na lang po ang kalabangan dito ng Cagayan Valley.
Alam talaga nila yung distance nila sa isa't isa,
Yup.
kung sino ba ang kukuha ng bola. Iba talaga pag matagal na mag-teammates.
Benito. Oh, Dave kept it alive. Eto ngayon si Concepcion, itinawid. Jonella, hinabol. Side ngayon, quick set. Pao Soriano, nagmintis. That is, credit half that point dito kay Christine Dave. Ganda na pagkaputo niya dun. 8-all. Michelle Datuin, still consistent sa kanyang serve. Playing against her would-be teammates in a few days. Great block by Molina. Lamang na po ang PNP.
5-0 run by
Yup.
PNP.
Coming from the technical timeout, kanina nga 7-2 ang kalamangan nitong kupunan ng Cagayan Valley. That's ancient history na ngayon. Michelle Datuin, hardly any mistakes on her serve. A bad reception there from Tabaquero. Kailangan itawid tuloy ni Tabaquero. Here is Sangmuang now. Concepcion at doon matatapos ang mainit na pagragasan nitong kupunan ng PNP. Joy Benito, yeah.
If you're PNP coming into this game, you think nakakabahan ka, you think na intimidated ka, but as you can see now, yung laro nila talagang palaban ng PNP today.
At tandaan mo, Michelle, they have come from a week off already. So, tagal-tagal na training yan. As Molina, ginamit yung kamay ni Chisay para makakuha ng punto. So, isipin mo, galing sa isang pagkatalo, nag-ngit-ngit ka ng isang linggo. Ngayon, finally, eto na yung pinaghirapan natin na 1 week. Ilabas na natin dito. Yan po nga yung mga pangalan. Noel Zanaton, Michelle Gumabaw. Eto ngayon si Molina on the serve and it is on target. Omektan Marcianos on the serve.
Napatulala yung mga receivers natin doon pagdating sa Cagayan Valley. Tinignan lang nila yung bola bumaba.
Dito may inis si Coach Nes. Kung ito nga lang PNP, hirap na tayo. Ano pa kaya yung India, Iran, China? Ayan na naman. Marciano is on target sa kanyang serve.
Reception is very important pagdating dito sa game na to kasi ang lalakas ng servers ng bawat team.
Itong kupunan ng Cagayan Valley has only dropped 1 set so far. That was against the Philippine Air Force. Sa kanilang unang laban pa yon. Here's Concepcion going to Molina. Nice block there by Eulalio. Now to the open. Patchery Sangmuang. Here's Saet now. From behind, galing si Aiza Maizo. Concepcion now for Molina. Trying to misdirect. Nice effort. Bad result.
Tama yung timing ng dalawa pero nagkamali ng pag-drop ng bola itong si Molina.
And the lead of PNP is down to 2 because it's the official ball of the Shakey's feeling. And now, bawi naman si Joy Benito sa kanyang serve.
Hirap ang bawat team sa pag-receive. Yan yung sabi ni Coach Bob, sa isang week daw nilang pagpapahinga or pag-e-ensayo rather, doon nila talaga finocus yung training sa pag-receive.
Benito hits it into the net. So ito yung mga maliliit na regalo na naibibigay ng Rising Suns dito sa Lady Patrollers. Kung bakit po lumalamang ang PNP ngayon ng dalawa. Veronica Concepcion. Here's Chisay running attack. Well, if Eulalio, nice coverage there from Marciano. Patchery Sangmuang, yes! 35 years old. Sabihin na natin. Kasi hindi naman siya mukhang 35 eh. Our Rexona Slow-Mo brought to us by Rexona Anti-Perspirant Deodorant. It won't let you down. Talagang sa kamay.
Sabi di ba dati, huwag daw babanggitin.
Pero hindi naman obvious. Sige, hindi ko na ulitin.
Hindi
Mas
naman
lang
niya
naman
maririnig.
kung marinig man niya, baka hindi rin niya maintindihan. Eto na ngayon. And they go down the middle again to Francis Molina. Chase Saet now. Wenneth Eulalio. Justin Tadeo. Patchery again. Iniba yung kurso ng bola. Benito, Tadeo, Concepcion, Molina, nice block by Eulalio again. Backset ngayon. Dami!
She knew kung saan niya papapuntahin yung bola. And that down the line hit, parang hindi ina-expect nitong libero natin na si Jonella.
And this is now the biggest lead para sa Lady Patrollers in this match. 4 points against the undefeated Cagayan Valley. And here is Saet ngayon. Combination play. Tabaquero. Hindi man lang nakatawid ang bola.
If this continues to well, sa tingin mo ba ipapasok yung dalawang thigh players?
That remains to be seen. 5-point lead ngayon para sa PNP.
instruction ata ni Coach Bob, lakasan ang service kasi as we can see, hindi nakaka-receive itong koponan ng Cagayan Valley.
And that time, nasobra naman sa lakas itong si Veronica Concepcion. So 17-12. Markahan niyo po yun, ang biggest lead ng PNP kanina, 6 na puntos, 17-11.
Write it down.
As a serve by Saet, lumabas. So again, these errors for Cagayan Valley, yan ang dumadagdag sa kanilang kalbaryo kontra dito sa PNP. And if it's fun family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Frances Molina. Here's Chi Saet ngayon on the back set. Ay, walang kumuha doon. Kaya ang Keta Baquero late dumating. Ang depensa ni Sangmong at saka ni Datuin.
Nice fake right there by Chisa. At nakita mo, akala ng mga blockers sa open niya ibibigay, pero may tao pa pala sa likod.
Alala ko dahil si Chi Saet, mga salasal, ang dami niyang option pagdating sa kanyang pagpapatakbo ng opensa.
Siyempre.
Yeah.
Everybody is a threat.
That's true. Oh, ganda na kalmot doon ni Sangmuang. Sangmuang keeping it alive. Davao, Concepcion. Eulalio, Saet. Back set ngayon. Aiza Maiso. At hindi na naabutan ni Marciano. Nice serve by Eulalio. At Tadeo is actually the only player sa PNP na medyo masama ang gising ngayon. So, yung pa yung libero, kailangan na sa mga receptions. Eulalio's got the lead down to 3. At this time, after a service ace, mamimigay na service error ang Cagayan Valley.
Actually, you can see a lot of errors coming from both teams this game. And nagpapalitan lang sila ng lamang, but at least the PNP Lady Patrollers now are still up by 4.
See if they can increase that to 5 once again. Here's Chi Saet ngayon on the back set. Aiza Maizo. And again, Tadeo cannot keep it alive. Papalitan ng libero dito si Bob Malena. Well, later, hesitation para sa pagpasok ng kanyang bagong libero.
Hindi rin alam ng mga ating referees ang gagawin nila.
Here's Datuin trying to drop it. And Saet gets it across. Concepcion ngayon. This time combination. Marciano off the hands of Aiza Maizo. So back to a 4-point lead for PNP. Dave. Here's Chi Saet now. Underhands it. Papunta kay Benito. Nice block by Datuin. Nice joust at the net. Pero mahuhulog. Aiza Maizo gets that done. Focus na sinisigaw dito ng coaching staff ng PNP. They are so close.
You're so close, they can taste victory.
Running attack, not to win. Nando naman, ito si Tabaquero. Saet now for Benito. Yan na naman yung mga bullets nitong si Joy Benito.
Frontline itong si Concepcion ngayon, kaya nahihirapan sila sa blocking dahil of course, she's smaller compared to Michelle Datuin.
That's right. Tadeo, their best reception of the day. Here's the combination now. Marciano off the hands of Saet. Soriano out of position. Nagawang pa rin ang paraan ni Pau. Whoa! And Aiza Maizo.
Lucky break by Cagayan Valley.
Tandaan po natin na itong kupunan ng Cagayan Valley also used this kind of a run against the Air Force, yung behind sila, tapos bigla silang humahabol sa bandang dulo. They go to Marciano this time. David keeps it alive. From the back is Sangmuang. Saet ngayon, down the middle for Pau Soriano. Net violation somewhere. That goes against Marciano. Chance to lead now para dito sa kupunan ng... Uy! Minsan yung mga ganong aksidente nakakatulong talaga sa team mo no?
And di mo talaga aasahan. Ano naman kasi, siguro nasira na naman sila sa ilaw natin dito, Noel.
Well, let's see if Michelle Datuin can continue her excellent service. This time, it's a floater na nangamote rito si Pau Soriano. Free ball coming up for PNP. Sangmuang, Concepcion, Molina.
Still alive.
Ito ngayon si Soriano, itatawid muna yung bola. Dave, Concepcion, this time going to the open. Marciano!
Kanino ka pa mapupunta, Noel? Kapag kailangan mo ng puntos, kundi kay Marciano.
Marciano has been waxing hot dito sa ating first set. Dalawa na lang po ang kailangan ng PNP para makuha itong opening set. PNP looking for its first victory up against the undefeated Cagayan Valley Rising Suns. Side ngayon, across. Joy Benito na naman. Lusot sa braso ni Molina.
Kahit anong angulo ni Joy Benito, basta lalakasan niya yung bola.
Soriano trying to tie it on her serve. Concepcion. Molina. Ando naman si Benito. Chisay goes back to Benito. Coverage is there for Dave. Balik ulit kay Marciano. Hiuhulog ni Marciano. Nice reflex action from Maizo. Off the block. San Juan keeps it alive. Molina out of position. At hindi na masasagip yan ng Cagayan Valley.
Pigilin nga ako doon.
Right. Set point. Sipin mo to, set point para sa PNP. And Marciano has had an ace already in this match. Trying to put it away for the Lady Patrollers.
The question is, who will close this game?
Yun, ang magandang katanungan. Marciano, Tabaquero, Saet, Benito sa kabila galing and it's out. So for the second time this season, Cagayan Valley will drop a set 25-22. Nakuha po ng PNP yung first set. Marami naging bayani para sa PNP dito. Let's take a look at a shaky play, Michelle. Makikita natin dito yung atake sa gitna. Galing kay Francis Molina. Yung pong ating shaky play. PNP takes set number 1.